Trying Malaysian's most famous snack, Choki Choki. So I heard these are really popular in Malaysia, so I got it and I'm gonna taste it and rate it 1 to 10. All right, let's open it. Let's see what this is. I have no idea what this is, by the way. Okay, we opened it. It's very soft. I'm just gonna suck it out from the paper. Let's try it. Bismillah. This is it, by the way. Oh my god, Choki Choki is valid. Yo, this tastes like some Malaysian Nutella, but like better. Like this is actually better than Nutella. I give the Choki Choki a 8.8 out of 10. This is really good. It's better than Nutella. Shout out to Malaysia.